Alright, we're back at this once again. I think it's like Friday, a week or so before Christmas. What I'm thinking right now, not that that matters, although this might be a Christmas gift, was I cut out these wings. So I want to trace these out on a couple pieces of sheet metal and then take a bolt, carve this down to kind of look like a body, and we'll use some welding rod for legs. At least I think that sounds like a plan. See if we can't do this. Back here, once again, finished up these little butterflies. These are 20 gauge sheet metal that I cut the pattern out and then put a bead roll here to kind of act as a little step for a little extra detail or a little more character. Then welded it to a 7/16 bolt to cut the head off. Cut it this way and then kind of rounded out where your wrench would go, and then ground the threads down to kind of a sharp point. Some 1/8 inch welding rod for legs and some smaller 3/16 TIG rod. 3/8 washer here so you can hang it up on the wall. We took a little bit of base, over-reduced base coat, and add a little blue highlight in the middle there, and then kind of dusted the tips of the wings out with red. Oh, and welded some little spots on the bottom of the back side of the metal, so then it gives these kind of cool looking little blue circles. Kind of makes a little extra character there, but that's both of them that we were working on. Pretty stoked on how these turned out. So if you like these scrap metal art, these videos, give this a like, a comment below, a subscribe. Remember, you got there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.